going to show you how to hook up your phone and maybe troubleshoot some more common issues with the Apple CarPlay. So from the factory, when we go into the phone, there'll be nothing hooked up. So we'll go into this right here. You'll see that there's no device connected, and so we go to the connected device. We'll get basically the name of the radio, MBUX, and those numbers right there. Then what we'll do is we have to come back down to the phone, and then we go to Bluetooth on the phone, and then we go down, make sure it is discoverable, which it is. So then the phone pops up on the screen here. We tap on it just like that. Gives it a second. It does have a code that will then mirror itself up on the screen of the phone. We want to allow contacts to sync. Then it's going to give us the Apple CarPlay prompt. You'll see the terms and services, and we say OK, start CarPlay. And then down here on the phone, we say connect to CarPlay, and we wait. See a little process circle up there. Takes a couple seconds, and we have CarPlay. If you hit the home button at any time, you will be returned back to the MBUX screen. To get back to CarPlay while it's running, you'll see right next to the home button, there is always CarPlay right there. So you just have to tap it, and it brings you back. You can also just swipe all the way to the right. You'll see there is a CarPlay emblem there as well. That's the second way to get back. Now, if we go all the way back and say for some reason it's not hooking up and you want to make sure that it is hooked up via CarPlay versus any other just Bluetooth, well, you come down. So here's your phone. Right below it, there's a shortcut to the devices menu. We click that, and obviously your phone will be listed here. You have these first two, which are Bluetooth phone and Bluetooth music. The third one should have the CarPlay emblem, and it should be lit up in orange. If there's a dash there, or if that's not lit up, if it's there but not lit up, tap on it and it should connect. If it's not there at all, there is most likely a setting in your phone that is either not turned on. I know with iPhones you have to have Siri enabled, as well as I believe its personal hotspot has to be turned off. You're not like if that is on, Siri will not, or CarPlay will not engage. So basically, those are the two most common things I run into. But otherwise, if you want to get rid of a phone, you have a new phone, basically you just tap here and delete device, and it will delete it out of there, and then you just add your new phone just like you did the first time.